Okay, here's a challenge I really don't like because it's more math related than like, programming logic in general. So find a missing number among an array of numbers. Numbers should be consecutive. Of course, the numbers meaning should be like 1, 2, 3, something like that. And somewhere we have a missing number. So let's introduce the array of numbers. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we introduce the function of missing number, which takes an array. First of all, if we take the length of it, let's just say console.log array.length. Sorry, this function shouldn't have off. And if we call the function missing number with numbers, we should see 8. But we should have 9 numbers. So what we can do, we should take the actual length as const n equals to array.length plus 1. Now if we do n, we see 9. Okay. Then what we can do, we should measure the expected sum. How do we measure the expected sum? Well, we use a mathematical formula. We say const expected equals to n, that is 9, multiplied by n plus 1, that is 10. So n multiplied by 10, that's 90, divided by 2, which just means like 45. That's the expected sum. Because our numbers are executive, we can actually check the value, expected value, like this. Okay, now we have the expected value. Now we want the actual sum. Const actual sum is equal to 0, but we could loop through this and aggregate all of this and have the actual sum. So we say like for let I equals to 0, I smaller than array.length, actual length, I plus plus, then actual sum plus equals to array in the position of I. Now, this should be let not, because we are reassigned. So what this does, it goes through all of this and adds them up, and you have the actual sum. Now you have the expected sum through this math formula. Now, what we can do is to return the number through expected minus actual. So we set the expected sum is 45, the actual is around 37, so whatever remains should be the missing number. And if we do const result equals missing number and console.log result, we have 6. Let's see if it's 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Yes. And if we tried, like, let's just make it 2. We have 2. So basically, expected sum, actual sum. The actual sum is easy. The expected sum, we have to like kind of deal with this math formula. Then you just like return expected minus actual sum, and that's your missing number. This is a challenge I really don't like. However, you might have to do it in an interview or something, so that's why I included it. There's no easy way around this. You just take the actual sum, then you use this math formula. or maybe you use another method that's easier. Thank you very much.